Or to throw this heavy fuse grenade. Should in theory deal the same amount of damage as the Pharaoh. Alright, that's good data. Alright. Hand me a bandage, please. That's 50. That's 50 right there. Okay, that's 3 tips. I want you to take the hairpin and I want you to shoot me in the head once. I'm ready. Alright. I think that's 50 damage. Alright, I need you to pick up that Stitcher and shoot me in the head once, too.
Stitcher, here.
Alright, I'm ready. Okay. Let's see. About 9. Because I do know that an unshielded headshot with an Anvil is an insta-kill. Alright, I'm ready. Alright. So that is a lie.
Very interesting.
The Pharaoh and the Anvil have the same headshot multiplier. So, yeah, that was a lie. Anyway, that's the end of experiment. Thank you for helping me out. Here's this photoelectric cloak you can have as a reward. Now I'll be leaving.
Thank you.
Whoa! Wait! You can shoot me after. I need to do an experiment. Please. Let me just. You can kill me afterwards. I have a reward if you help me up with doing some math. It's in my safe pocket, so it's not like you can kill me for it. We cool?
Yeah, cool. Run away.
No, I need your help for some math. It'll involve you shooting me. I want you to pick up that rattler and I want you to shoot me once. In the body. Okay. Thank you. Okay, that'll be approximately. Okay, with the rattler, I want you to shoot me in the head once.
In the head?
Yep, in the head. Okay. Let me just write that down real quick. Now with that kettle, I want you to shoot me once at the body. Right here, kettle. Okay.
Sorry.
Yep. Once in the body with the kettle. Okay. Should be 5 ticks. That's weird. Okay, and with the kettle, I want you to shoot me in the head once.
Probably with damage range where it doesn't drop off at all.
Yeah, damage drop-off doesn't exist in this game.